Hello YouTube. So, as promised, I want to revisit this whole HPA axis dysregulation, destabilization, and okay, where we left off. The hippocampus lies dying on the street, caught in the crossfire from this whole HPA axis being thrown off. What do? Okay, you know the answer, BDNF to the rescue, right? We elevate and raise BDNF levels. You can do that naturally, lots of ways. If you need to watch my earlier videos to find out how, I'll just give you one exercise, get your butt in the gym, get off the couch, because it goes without saying we should probably repeat that in every single video. Get moving. Venture over to the free weight area. The big boys don't bite. Okay, that's thing one. Thing two, you know Meghan Trainor has that song, It's All About the Bass. It's all about the bass, no treble. Right? Hate to break it to you, it's not all about the base, guys. It's actually all about the gut. Specifically the gut bacteria. Hello? Keep them happy. Okay, there is a study that basically compared germ-free mice to mice, meaning they had no gut bacteria, to a second group who had one form of bacteria and a third that had multiple forms of bacteria, much more like our flora and fauna that reside in our all the way through our GI tract. Anyways, they then subjected them to stress, the sort of stress that would throw off their HPA axis and dysregulate it. And what they found was the group of mice who had no gut bacteria were most readily destabilized in their HPA axis. And to boot, they had much lower BDNF levels. So, there you have it. Somehow, those gut bacteria are important when it comes to our brains. They might be ruling the world, guys. They outnumber us like billions to one, and they live in our bodies. So what do you need to do to keep them happy? Well, thing one, keep them alive. Hello? Yeah, they don't want to die. They want to live there. They want to be symbiotic with us. Symbiosis. So if you take a course of antibiotics, you're going to wipe them out. Thus, you probably need to repopulate that gut bacteria in the form of probiotics. You know, lactobacillus in yogurt. There are products you can buy. I'm not here to peddle products. Basically, it's an individualized process. We're all different. What might work for one person might not work for somebody else. So just figure it out. Trial and error. If you feel better, maybe it's helpful. That's thing one. Okay, keep them alive. Thing two, keep them fed. Just like us. They want to live, they want to eat. So, how do you feed your gut bacteria? Well, there are things called prebiotics, which means they're basically sources of food that are food for gut bacteria. Keeps them happy. What would those kind of things be? Well, fiber, probably number one. Soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, they're going to take it and turn it into great things for your gut. And then your colon cells, your small intestine cells, they're all going to be happy because it decreases inflammation for them. Fiber is highest in things like beans, legumes, lentils, and plant-based products, so roughage type things. Okay, lots of veggies. Okay, and then secondly, butyric acid. Now this is why you watched all the way to this 4-minute mark of this video. Butyric acid is found in not some supplement, butter. You can just eat butter. Okay, eat organic butter so that you not wind up with more toxins in your GI tract that will probably harm the bacteria. Organic butter. Now, don't go overboard. Just know that you're feeding your gut colon cells because they're going to turn that into short-chain fatty acids that are actually decrease inflammation there. Okay, there you have it. And there'll be more at future videos. Please subscribe, like, thanks, share. Audio.